Vanakkam. Hi friends, welcome back to Nageshwari's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you a small tip and also it's very effective tip about how to save onion seeds from your garden. Let's get into the video. Before that, if you're watching Nageshwari's Kitchen for the first time, please subscribe to Nageshwari's Kitchen and press the notification bell symbol. You will get notified whenever I post my new videos. Let's get into the video. First, what I did is I just took one of the onion with the spring sprouted onion. So if I'm going to throw this, instead of throwing in the rubbish bin, plant this in your garden and you can use it as a spring onion, and also you can use for seeds in future. So this is how I planted. I used a red onion because it's hard to get red onion seeds in Melbourne. We can get brown onion, white onion, but I'm not able to find a red onion. So I like to use more red onions in my cooking, so that's why I planted a red onion. So I will show you how the growth is and also how to collect the seeds. So when you plant, you will get spring onions, like so many branches. So you can use most of them as a spring onion, but only one in the middle, leave it as it is. You will get flower on top. So then from that flower you will get seeds. So let's see how my flower is grown in my garden. So this is the flowers that I got it from my spring onion. um, so just trim it. You can leave it until it gets dried in the plant itself, but I left two of them like that, but it started to fall off its own. So I lost most of the seeds in this bunch. So I thought to take out once the flower is fully grown. Now I'm going to collect it. So I finished cutting all these flowers. Can you see the flower? In one onion you will get at least 100 seeds. So each of these buds you will get at least 4 to 5 seeds. So you don't have to buy from stores. You can grow in your garden itself for seeds also, and also you can use it as a spring onion as well. So let's get the seeds and then we will use it in our garden. So I will show you how to take out the seeds. Take one bud and then just open it. You will find 4 to 6 seeds in each bud. So just collect all of them and then keep it in a bowl or in a plate, because we are going to dry these seeds inside the house for at least 2 to 3 days. When you take out the seeds, you will feel there are a little bit very slight moisture will be there. So we are going to remove that moisture, that's all, because I'm going to store these seeds for at least next six to 7 months. So because the seedling time is in September, so you will see the amazing growth if you plant it in September. End of September will be the correct time. So I'm going to store these seeds and then I'm going to use this next year. So you have to remove all the moisture and then dry it up, not in the sun directly, just inside the house. And then you can collect this in a Ziploc bag or in a airtight container. Just store it and then you can use it whenever that you're going to plant it. It's a little bit of time consuming process, but what I did is I was watching a movie and then I was doing all this work. You can engage your kids to do this job and they will come to know how the seeds are coming up and how the seeds will look like. So all the process they will come to know as well, so teach them as well. So don't do by yourself, engage your family members also to do this small work. So I started to collect. I got so much, still I'm doing. So I got more than 500 seeds from just 3 onion. So one packet onion seed is at least $3 to $4 in Melbourne. So you can save that money just by planting one onion. Store this and grow more onion in your garden, and please let me know your feedback in the comment section below. So take out the seeds and then just dry it inside the house for at least 2 to 3 days. Then you can use this as a seeds. Take out the seeds and then dry this inside the house for 2 to 3 days. Then you can use this as a seeds for onion. I have planted some onion and I harvested as well 2 days back. I will give you the link in the description box below, so you can see how to start from seed until its harvesting stage. So I hope you will get a good information about how to grow onion. Grow more onion in your home, in your garden. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. If you think so, please thumbs up and share with your friends. Please subscribe to Nageshwari's Kitchen. I will see you on another video. Bye.